It's here, guys. It's here. The Xiaomi Mi A3 will get Android 10 today. The update should be available right now, and if it's not, make sure you guys update your phone to the February 2020 security update. After the update was finished, I restarted my phone, and then guess what? The system update is available. Subscribe to my channel if you want some reviews on this brand new software on the Xiaomi Mi A3. And that's it, guys. I'm really excited. So I hope you guys download it right now. And then let's go ahead and download the update and then review it. So as soon as it's downloading, as soon as it's finished installing, I will make a video on the top 5 new features, do performance benchmarks, and speed tests versus Android 9 and 10. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys have a good day, and peace.